Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to slow down a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where our projects are. We have to open a project that we already started. Let's tap on this. And here, in the timeline, we have to select a clip that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. Here in the bottom bar, we have multiple options to choose from, but we have to tap on speed, the left side. Here we tap on normal, and then if we move the slider to the left, below the 1x point, then the video is going to be slowed down. Let's say we move it to 0.5. Then this video is going to be halved in speed. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.